everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this channel I am going to teach you the whole paper 3 for the CA foundation, which include mathematics, business statistics and logical reasoning. So if you want to clear the paper easily, just stay to my channel. I will give you the guarantee that you will clear the paper in this attempt only. The thing is, you should not have to go for any other website or any other mock test paper and all. Whatever I am teaching here in the video and whatever the numericals I am doing and whatever the assignment I will give, just keep on doing that thing. It's easy to clear the paper. Okay, and it's my guarantee. So before starting the paper, I will tell you the chapters and the weightage, which will help you to decide how and which chapter you are going to select. So starting from the CA foundation paper 3, it consists of 100 questions and 100 marks. Means one question consists of 1 marks. So guys, remember the thing, you are writing exam of foundation. Okay, so one question consists of 1 marks. If you will make a correct, okay, so you will get a 1 marks. If you won't attempt the questions, so it will be like no marks will get detected, it will counted as 0 marks. Okay, you won't get the marks or you won't lose the marks. But if you will do a mistake of one question, there will be a negative 0.25 marks. Okay, and for doing this 100 questions, you have a maximum of 2 hours. Means 120 minutes you have to attempt 100 questions. Okay, so first of all I will give you the weightage. So mathematics consists of 40 marks. Okay, so in 40 marks, ratio and proportion, the first chapter, which consists of 3 marks. Indices and logarithm, which consists of 2 marks. So indices 1 marks, logarithm 1 marks. Equations 5 marks. Very important chapter. Linear inequalities, very easy, 2 marks. See, simple interest and compound interest, 4 marks. Simple interest and compound interest 4 marks, in which the simple interest 1 marks and the compound interest 3 marks, or maybe the simple interest 2 marks, compound interest 2 marks, like that. Annuity, very important chapter, 10 marks. Okay, 3 marks, 2 marks, 5 marks, 2 marks, 4 marks, 10 marks. Then permutation and combination, 4 marks. Sequence and series, 3 marks. Set relation and functions, 4 marks. Differential and integral, 3 marks. So guys, if I am saying 4 marks, so maybe 4 marks or 5 marks, maybe 4 marks or 3 marks, so 1 marks, maybe more or maybe less. Okay, but this is the weightage. Mathematics 40 marks. Now we're coming for the statistics. Statistics again 40 marks. So a statistical description of data, the first chapter, 8 marks. Then central tendency, 6 marks. Then measures of dispersion, again 6 marks. Okay, then probability, 4 marks. Theoretical distribution, 3 marks. Correlation regression, 6 marks. And index number, 6 marks. So like this, the statistics consist of 40 marks. The logical reasoning is of 20 marks. So 40, 40, 80 plus 20, 100. So logical reasoning 20 marks means each chapter consists of 5 marks. Okay, each chapter consists of 5 marks in the logical reasoning. Okay, so the very important thing, guys, I will tell you which are those chapters. See, every time you have to make a first priority and the second priority. So first priority means these chapters you are going to do and you should have to do. Anyhow, you should have to do these chapters. Second priority depends upon you. You are attending the class. If you are feeling it easy, do it. Otherwise, leave it. That's it. So first priority chapter means those chapters in which the questions they will ask you directly. They won't twist the question. They won't turn the question and mix up the question. They are going to ask the questions directly, whatever I am doing. So the first priority is your ratio and proportion from the mathematics. In this, only indices, no logarithm, because logarithm is little bit difficult. Only indices. Then equation chapter, these are the first priority. Linear inequalities, first priority. Simple interest, compound interest, annuity and permutation combination. So these are the chapters of the first priority from mathematics. You can see the 3 marks, 1 marks indices 4, 5 marks for the equation 9, 2 marks for the linear inequality 11, simple interest, compound interest 4 marks 15, 10 marks for the annuity 25 and permutation combination 4 marks, 29 marks from the mathematics. These are the first priority chapter you should have to do, and after that do a multiple time of revision, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and make yourself perfect in this chapter. Then your wish, you can go for the second priority. This is the logarithm, sequence series, set relation, function, differential and integral. These are the second priority. Okay, in which the questions they can ask you a little bit twisting questions, and they'll mix up the questions. Okay, but these all the chapters of mathematics, they won't twist the question, they won't mix up the questions. Then statistics, first chapter of statistics, central statistical description of data. Second chapter, central tendency. Third chapter, measures of dispersion. And 7 chapters, and the fourth chapter, probability. So these are the 5 chapters which is your first priority, means 8, 6, 14, 6, 20, 24, 30. So 30 marks in the statistics is your first priority. But see, in the statistics, theoretical distribution, correlation, regression, 6 plus 3, 9 marks. Out of 9 marks, I will do, means I will tell you to go with the 6 marks, which will be out of 9 marks, the 6 marks is easy. So statistics, you will go mostly for 30 plus 6 is 36 marks for the stats. Okay guys, don't leave the statistics. Statistics is the part where you can easily clear the paper. And logical reasoning, all the 4 chapters, so 20 marks here for the logical reasoning. If you will add all, so 29 plus 20, 39, 49 plus 36, 70, 85 marks. So 85 marks is your first priority chapter. Sorry, 85 marks are the first priority. You can go with that 85 marks. If not 85, let it 80 marks only, because if you will practice the 80 marks easily, you can reach up to 65 plus. Minimum you can go to 60 plus, and you will clear the paper in first attempt only, and very easily. Okay, so the thing is, stick to me, that's it. No need of going here and there. Okay, I will give you the assurity. Okay, so the thing is, the very important thing is, first only you have to keep in your mind, these are the chapters which is first priority. Okay, theoretical distribution, correlation, regression, you keep aside. So okay, still you have a 80 marks. So 80 marks if you do, you will reach around 65 plus, or least is 60. Okay, but 80 if you will do, you won't fail. Okay, you will easily cross the passing marks. And the very important thing I will tell you, see, in examination, this examination consists of 2 hours. So 2 hours means you have to divide the examination in 2 parts. First 1 hour and then second 1 hour. Okay, so you have to divide the examination like this, because see, once what happen, if you will make a proper planning, then you will start according to the planning and you will end according to the planning, and examination also you will do according to the planning. But if you don't have a planning and randomly you will do an exam, you will go and do randomly and you will mess up the things. Okay, so what will happen? You will go for the second attempt, means the next attempt. Okay, moe will happen in the first attempt. moe means gone. So how you have to distribute, you have to see, you will get the 2 hours. So what you have to do, you have to distribute in first hour and first hour. Okay, so 1 hour consists of 60 minutes, as we know. Another 1 hour consists of 60 minutes, as we also know this. So guys, what you have to do, you have to stick with the only first priority chapters. Okay, so first priority chapter also, it divided into 2 parts. So first part is that type of questions in which you are 100% sure, like yes, I know this question, I have practiced before also. If I means I have did this question, means 110% this is correct, this is going to be a correct. So this is the first type in the first priority. Okay, in which you are 100% sure that yes, this type of questions I have did a lot of times and I know this answer, I can do it, that's it. This is the first type in the first priority, which you are 100% sure. And the second type in the first priority is, you are sure that yes, I have did this type of sums, if I will do, I will get the answer. Okay, like this. Which type of question means you know that yes, I have practiced this sum before. If I will do, I will get the answer. So that is the second part in the first priority. So in the first hour, what you have to do, you have to do this type of question in the first hour in which you are 100% sure. Okay, just read the question. By reading the question, you will get to know whether this is 100% sure or not, because you have practiced so many times. So how you will do, if you will see the first one, no, I don't know. Second one, no, I don't know. Third one, no. Fourth, yes, this is 100%. So you will do like that. Fourth one. So like that you have to select and you have to do the first those questions which you are 100% confirm. So doing that type of questions, I will give you the guarantee that you will take maximum of 90 seconds. Maximum of 90 seconds for doing that type of sums. Means in 60 minutes you will solve 40 questions. And guys, see, 40 questions are what? Those questions in which you are 100% confirm that yes, I have did this, mean this is the answer. That's it, done. So in first hour you will get a 40 questions, and which are the 40 questions in which you are 100% sure that yes, this will be the correct answer. Whatever anyone will say, the answer is not going to change. I am sure that this is the answer. So you will get in first hour only you have solved the 40 questions, and these 40 questions you are 100% sure that this is going to be a correct. So see, in first hour you are passed with 40 marks. So second hour your mind will be relaxed, like yes, I have got a 40 marks, I am passed. Now in second hour what you have to do, you have to solve those sums. If still 100% which you know, if the sum is there, you solve it. Otherwise you will go for the this question in which second part means you know the questions, you are like yes, I know it, if I will solve, I am going to get the answer. So this type of sums, that is the second part. So that type of sum, I know it will take a 2 minutes to solve one sum. Okay, it will take a 2 minutes to solve one sum. So out of 60 minutes you will do a 30 questions. This is the minimum. Here 90 seconds, someone if you're very good you will take just a 60 second. Okay, like that. Okay, so maybe some 70 second, 80 second. Here in place of 2 minutes you will take 1.5 minute. So like that the variation will happen, but this is the bare minimum. So 40 questions you will do in the first hour, which is 100% sure that you are going to be a correct. It means these questions are going to be a correct. So you are passing first 1 hour. Then next 1 hour you are free. You are going to do this second part of the first priority in which you will almost solve 30 questions. So 40 plus 30, the 70 questions you will solve, and easily you will clear the paper. Okay, so these 30 questions, if you will solve, your mind will relax because you have passed in first hour only. These 30 questions you have to solve for the second part. So this is the planning what you have to do before starting the syllabus. It's not like when the exam is near you are planning this thing. No, before starting of the syllabus only you have to plan the first priority, the weightage, and how you are going to attempt in the examination. So your mind will be clear from the starting and you will follow the same path, easy and success path. Okay, so this is the thing, and from next video we are going to start the first chapter of mathematics, that is ratio and proportion. So guys, here I will explain you each and every concept with the calculator tricks or with the other tricks, and we will solve the lots of questions from each and every chapter, and we'll solve the so many PYQs, previous year question also. So stick to my channel and you will clear the paper. So take care, bye bye, we'll meet in the next video.